So, and this is how tree looks after some carving. As you can see, I was carving a little bit the small element here, renewing the callus around this cut, completely hollowed this trunk as far as I could get with the carving tool. I could go a little bit more inside, but the tools I have doesn't have possibility to reach even further. Also, I was trying to carve this part. I will do it a little bit more, and also this stump. So this is it for now, and the tree will be repotted most probably in 1 month time, and then we will see how it will develop. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.